When you go to college, you really learn a lot about yourself, and I really think feeling at home and feeling accepted by a community or a group of people really helps you find yourself. And I really think I found myself while at college.
My experience at Stout has been probably the best experience of my life.
I just think it's a good community. You know, I feel safe here.
It's a pretty big university, but it also has a small community feeling to it.
If you want a great college experience, it's like 90% of it's on yourself to kind of like go out there and do things and make friends.
Whatever you're interested in, there'll be a club or activity here.
I just think if you really want to, succeed and put yourself out there and try something you've never done in an organization, it's a great opportunity here at Stout.
It's not just about the education. You grow as a person, you grow as an individual, you learn a lot of life experiences.
Everyone here at Stout works with you so you can do everything you want to do. Nothing's been holding me back since I've been here.
I don't know where I'd be, and I think this has changed my life coming here.
It's really given me a purpose. That's all I can really say about it. I'm so thankful for it.
When you pull into town, does it feel like home? When you pull onto the campus, does it feel home? And Stout really did it for me.